Hey class, today we're going to talk about the carbon cycle and the nitrogen cycle. So when we talked about energy, we talked about how it flows through the ecosystem. It comes in, sunlight is converted into chemical energy, flows through the ecosystem through producers and consumers, and sort of leaves the ecosystem as heat as a byproduct of metabolism. Today we're going to talk about how carbon and nitrogen, those elements, they can change forms, they can be associated in different ways, but ultimately they're not created or destroyed. They're just going to cycle through the system. So I'm going to give you a quick diagram here of the carbon cycle. So you see it can participate in photosynthesis. You produce sugars and byproducts that then work their way through life, and then ultimately is sort of ends up back in the atmosphere as CO2, which can then be brought back in again through photosynthesis in this continuous cycle. Nitrogen has a similar cycle where nitrogen from the atmosphere can be fixed by plants or through other processes, and then ultimately makes its way into plants and animals, and then just continues to cycle around. So you're going to have a little chance to explore this more in this quick check. As always, as you go through it, if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you back in class.